Mouth-watering spicy Seekh Kebab rolls loaded with cheese. These rolls are very yummy. If you want to enjoy a combination of bread and kebab, this is the perfect recipe. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special masala bread roll with Seekh Kebab. First, in a small bowl, take 50 ml of lukewarm water and to this add 10 grams of sugar and mix. Sugar helps in yeast growth. When sugar melts, add 4 grams of dry yeast, mix and rest it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, drop the yeast water in a mixing bowl. Add 100 grams of curd, one whole egg and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix well all the ingredients to get single consistency. When all the ingredients mixed well, add 280 grams of all-purpose flour, 5 grams of salt, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of white pepper powder. Now mix all the ingredients to form a dough. When all the dry ingredients mixed well, knead the dough. When the dough is not sticking to your hands, stop kneading. Apply oil to another bowl. Make dough into round shape. Place the dough in the bowl. Cover it with damp cloth or stretch film and rest it for about 1 hour or till it grows double in size. When dough becomes double in size, press the dough to release the gas out. Make the dough into round shape. Cover and rest it for 1 more hour or till it grows double in size again. Until that, we will prepare our Seekh Kebab. For this kebab, I am taking 500 grams of boneless chicken in a blender jar. Into this, I am adding 2 green chillies. You can adjust chillies as per your taste. 1 big onion pieces. Rock salt to taste. Half teaspoon of coriander powder. Half teaspoon of cumin seeds powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of rosemary, half teaspoon of parsley, 2 tablespoons of Kasure Methi. You can skip this if you don't find. Now blend all the ingredients into a paste. Take small portion of grinded meat and put the meat on the skewer. Oil your hands so that meat will not stick to the hands. After you have finished doing all, you can bake them in a oven or you can use barbecue setup. Here I'm cooking them on homemade barbecue setup. Rotate the skewers periodically and apply oil so that kebab will not dry. Our kebabs cooked enough. Take them out and keep aside. Look, our dough grows double in size. It's ready to make breads. Press the dough to release the gas out. Drop the dough onto a working surface. Roll the dough and cut into small pieces and make them into rounds. Size depends on your oven size. Here I'm cutting according to my oven size. Now with the help of roller, roll it to flat shape. Spread some mozzarella cheese. On the top of the cheese, place the Seekh Kebab. Now spread some more cheese on the top. Now first close top and bottom towards inside. After that, sides. Press to seal. Now place it on a baking tray lined with parchment. Fold the parchment so that it will create wall between two rolls. Place sealed part down and smooth part facing up. Here I use 70 to 100 grams of mozzarella cheese in each roll. You can increase or decrease the cheese as per your taste. After you have finished all, apply some egg yolk wash. It will give good color and shine to the rolls. Now spread 1 teaspoon of white sesame seeds. Now the rolls are ready to bake. Bake in preheated oven at 170 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, our hot Seekh Kebab roll loaded with cheese is ready. These rolls are really so yummy.